Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. So I know things are looking a little different. We're in a new space. This is like my second setup. I have some different lighting I'm playing with, and I'm also recording this on my phone, and I recorded this entire video on my phone, but for the demo portion I was also using my regular lighting. So you know, just testing out some new, seeing how I feel about it. But today I will be talking to you guys about some products from Treluxe. So I have these two products here and then these two right here. These products were sent to me, but this video is not sponsored. So yeah, the first product I have is the Curl, Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. I have the Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner. I have the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream, and then I have their Curl Enhancing Styling Gel, which is this one right here. Before I move into the video, let me know how you guys feel about the setup. I may move more to one side or the other, just so you guys can get a feel for the background. If I was recording on my camera, then you know, you guys would get the whole blurry background vibes, depth of field action going on, all of that stuff. I will go back and forth between my phone and my camera, maybe, or I'll just stick to my camera like usual. I am trying to upgrade. Hopefully a girl can get her coins together this year so I can upgrade my filming equipment, but for now we're making it work. So yeah, the first product that I went in with is the Curl, Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. Now this says that it is sulfate free, it is for all hair types, and it is color safe. It gently cleanses, detangles, and replenishes moisture for healthy, resilient curls. It says this sulfate-free, silicone-free moisturizing cleansing rinse is formulated to gently cleanse and remove buildup while replenishing moisture and making detangling a breeze. The Curl, Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse uses mild plant-based cleansing agents that bind dirt and impurities, allowing them to easily rinse away. While all natural squalene, it is olive derived, and ingredients also contained in the scalp's natural oils, replenishes lost moisture. The formula is infused with slippery elm to gently detangle knots, as all our natural 360 curls complex fortifies hair from within, leaving each strand strengthened, lustrous, and tangle free. So the key ingredients of this product are coconut milk and slippery elm extract. Now guys, let me tell you, this product right here, they're not joking around when they say it helps with detangling, which it has slippery elm, so I'm not surprised because some of my favorite products do contain that ingredient. I really do like this cleanser. I feel like it's gentle. It cleanses my hair without stripping my hair, and also doesn't over condition and not cleanse, you know what I mean? So I really like this. And it says you're supposed to allow warm water to flow through your hair until your hair is soaking wet, and then apply half a pump of Curl, Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse to your hands. Gently massage the Curl, Renew and Restore cleansing rinse throughout your scalp and then throughout your hair, and you're supposed to rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat as needed. This product works really well. Now I did not follow the half a pump direction. I'm heavy-handed, and most if not all my products I tend to go in crazy, okay? But I really do love this, and I love the smell of this product. Now I love the smell of all the products. So then I went in with the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. This is for wavy, curly, and coily hair. It detangles, nourishes, and replenishes moisture for lively curls. Okay, it says, let's face it, Mother Nature can do some serious damage to our precious curls. A constant beating from the elements without proper protection can leave your curls dry, brittle, and vulnerable to complex knots, but there is hope. Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner was designed with you in mind. The naturally based conditioner, formulated with coconut milk, slippery elm, and olive oil extract, allows for ease of detangling while moisturizing and softening every strand of your hair. The formula is reinforced with a combination of avocado and broccoli seed oils to smooth your hair and seal the cuticle, helping to maintain healthy curls and coils. The key ingredients, once again, coconut milk, slippery elm, broccoli seed oil. And you're supposed to cleanse your hair and rinse under warm water for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you're supposed to apply a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner to your hands. Thoroughly work the conditioner through wet hair starting from the ends, working towards the roots, detangling your hair as needed. You're supposed to reapply as needed and style as needed. This leave-in conditioner I really do like. This is very lightweight, but it does provide moisture. It doesn't sit on top of the hair. It actually penetrates the shaft, and I feel like it's pretty good at detangling my hair. So yeah, I really do like this, and they said a generous amount, and I'm glad because I definitely applied a generous amount. I like to apply a lot of leave-in conditioner, especially now in these harsh colder months. My hair needs it. It gets tangled so fast, it gets dry so fast. So I'm doing everything in my power to, you know, give it the nourishment that it needs. The next product I have is the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. Now this product is supposed to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style. It creates lustrous, moisturized, and defined curls with a soft hold. The consistency of this product is very like light and whipped. It doesn't move around too much in the container. I really like this. Once again, the smell is incredible. I love this cream. I feel like it has the perfect consistency. It gives your hair moisture and shine and definition. Now, I see why they say it would be a soft hold. I kind of get that vibe after applying it to my hair, but I feel like my curls really love this product, and it might be my favorite from the whole line. So yeah, but I'm not gonna jump the gun. We'll keep going through all these products, but I'm sure you guys can see that my hair just looks amazing after applying this cream. My curls are just popping, they're shiny, they're defined, they look very healthy. Okay. So I really love the cream. I feel like it provides a lot of moisture to the hair, which is something that I need once again. It says that it is a botanical formula that restores moisture to dry hair, fortifies damaged strands, and defines your curls while protecting your curly tresses. It says this souffle-like cream, which is the perfect description for it because it does give me that kind of feel, and the consistency of it, I've said consistency so many times talking about this one product, but if you've ever tried it, then you know what I'm talking about, and if you haven't tried it, I do recommend it. So there's that. But I love how this feels. I love how it feels on my hands. I love how it feels on my hair. I love how it makes my hair look. Okay. It says it's a souffle-like cream, and it's packed with premium natural oils and botanical extracts to nourish and protect while providing soft hold. And the key ingredients are apricot oil, coconut oil, and marshmallow root extract. Marshmallow root extract is another ingredient that my hair loves. And it says you're supposed to separate your hair into 4 sections, distribute the product through each section, starting from the ends of your hair and working towards the root. Apply the product liberally for a tighter hold or conservatively for a lighter hold, style as desired. Now, personally, I did not apply a conservative amount for a lighter hold. I wasn't using this product for hold. I was using it for moisture, and I feel like my hair loved it, and my hair needs the moisture. Okay, so I definitely went in with a generous amount of this cream. And then I have the high definition curl enhancing styling gel. It's long lasting, and it gives defined curls, luminous shine, and a moisture balance. It says say hi to amazing curl definition and bye to pesky frizz. This curl defining nutrient rich puree is infused with avocado, sage, and honey extracts, and it's supposed to provide enhanced curl definition and luminous shine with medium to high hold. The formula is good for color safe curls. The key ingredients are avocado, honey, and sage extract. Cleanse and rinse your hair to remove product buildup. Condition with untie the knots, leave in if more moisture is needed. Saturate your hair with water until soaking wet. Separate into 4 to 5 sections. Spread a dime to nickel size amount of high definition through your hands, then apply evenly to each section. And you're supposed to style as usual. Now, let me open this so you guys can see. I'm only left with half of the jar of this product. After using it the first time, or I shouldn't say after, while using it the first time, I was like, I am for sure applying way too much product to my hair. Not only does the directions say to apply a dime to nickel size amount, is that what it says? Yep, dime to nickel size amount to each section, after telling you to put your hair in only 4 sections. Now, I don't style my hair in 4 sections, like not a wash and go at least. Those 4 sections always get broken down into even smaller sections. So you can just imagine me taking a handful of gel for like a little section in the back of my hair, and you guys will see what I'm talking about in the demo. I was definitely going in with the gel, and then like halfway through I was like, wait, I may be overdoing it a little bit, because I felt like excess product was on my hair. But at that point it was like, all right, we're already here, let's just keep going, see how it dries, etc, etc. No, after my hair dried, I was like, whoa. My hair was flake city, okay? There were so many flakes in my hair, and it was definitely user error because I was going crazy with the gel, which I probably did not need to do. And I'll say which I don't need to do, because this is my hair after going over with the curl restore, renew and restore, to like get those to get the flakes and residue out of my hair so I can like refresh my style basically. And this is my hair after refreshing the style. Now you guys will see that my hair has a lot of body. I feel like that is also due to the fact that I used a lot less gel, so my hair is not like tamed or like super tamed. And I'm not saying tamed in a bad way either, I just mean that my hair has body, which is my go-to. I like bigger hair. One thing I will say is that with bigger hair comes more frizz. So there's that, which I really don't mind. But if you guys can see, I still have some flakes. Now it could be that once again I used a lot of product, because I know that in the front sections of my hair my curls are a lot harder to tame, so I cannot use as little product as I would in the back or whatever. So that could be the issue, or it could also be that when I tried to refresh my hair I did not get all the flakes out the first time. You know what I'm saying? But guys, you're probably wondering why am I still so happy and chirpy throughout this video, because I genuinely do really like these products, especially this curl cream. Like I said, it's probably my favorite from the line, and I highly recommend this. If you cannot get all the products, because I really do like all of them, but if you cannot get and you have to choose, please get this cream. You'll not be disappointed. I really love it. I feel like the moisture is there, the definition is there, especially if you like bigger, fluffier hair. I feel like you'd really enjoy this cream for a wash and go, or you would enjoy it for like twist outs, braid outs, because your hair will have so much body, definition, shine, and moisture. So I really want to try a twist out with this cream. I haven't done a twist out in so long, but I kind of have one up my sleeve, and then I want to do this one as well. So if you guys want me to do a twist out with this, you have to let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, I also am due for a trim. But guys, I think my hair looks good. Like the body is there, you know what I'm saying? The shine is there. My hair is not dry, it's moisturized, because that's why I went in with so much of the cream and leave-in, because I needed the moisture. It's just unfortunate that it has flakes. And what's crazy is that before sitting down in this area with my lights on, I did not notice the flakes at all. Like I went out with my hair and I had no issues, but as soon as I sat in front of the studio lights, I was like, whoa, what's going on? But enough of my rambling. Overall, I really do like this line. I really do recommend these products. You guys should check out Treluxe. I know that they are available in some Walgreens and Whole Foods and places like that. So yeah, you can check out the store locator on their website to see where you can pick them up near you. But guys, really do love this product. Once again, this video is not sponsored, but I do want to say thank you to Treluxe for sending me these products. I really love them, and y'all know I'm about to perfect how to use them, because a lot of times products don't work out because of user errors. So I'm gonna be on it, so stay tuned for future videos to come. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you've tried this line before, what your favorite product from them is, if you like to pair it with anything else or anything of that sort. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.